Welcome to our guide on how to level up fast in Elden Ring. In this video, we will explore strategies that will make your journey through the lands between much more effective. Runes are the primary currency in Elden Ring, essential for leveling up your character. The more runes you gather, the stronger you become. So let's delve into their significance. Choosing the right starting class can set the tone for your entire adventure. Let's discuss the best classes for a smooth leveling process. Finding high rune yield areas is key to leveling up quickly. We'll show you some of the best spots to farm runes efficiently. Don't underestimate the power of teamwork. Utilizing multiplayer features can help you take down difficult enemies quickly and gather those valuable runes. Defeating bosses early on can yield incredible rewards. We'll share effective strategies to help you conquer these formidable foes. Crafting and using consumables can significantly enhance your gameplay. Let's dive into how to make the most of these tools. Exploration is key in Elden Ring. Discovering new zones can lead to hidden treasures and additional runes, so keep your eyes peeled. Optimizing your playstyle is crucial for faster leveling. Here are some tips to streamline your approach and maximize your efficiency. To wrap it up, remember these key strategies for leveling up quickly in Elden Ring. Choose the right class, farm efficiently, and explore wisely.